is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
Well, welcome back, everyone, on what has been a pretty soggy start to our Thursday. Things are starting to let up in places like Rochester. We're seeing the clouds thin out just a smidge, but of course the roadways are quite wet. A lot of rain falling through. Meanwhile, in Mason City, we're still seeing plenty of rain move through. It's really cool to always see it way off in the distance, but right now over Mason City, maybe just a drizzle. Give it some time. We still see some chances for showers and even a few more of those storms to develop as we go later into this afternoon. So right now, because of that rain, we're on the cooler side. Mason City sitting at around 59 degrees. Rochester, not much warmer, but currently having made it to 60. The winds aren't blowing too strong, still under that 20-mile-per-hour mark, but also still noticeable. As we move over to Storm Tracker 3 radar, we can easily see where all of the excitement is, and exciting it certainly is. Let's zoom into a few of these green areas here, starting off with portions of Waseca and Freeborn County here. This is a flash flood warning. Doesn't look like a lot is going on right now, but a lot did happen not long ago. The National Weather Service did extend this now to 2 p.m., originally set to expire at noon. And that means that there's the possibility of even more rain on the way for this area. Meanwhile, a little further to the south, we've got a flash flood warning. We've got 2 of them actually in Mitchell County in North Iowa. This one going until 1 p.m. It includes Osage there in the middle, and a little further to the north, there's that other one I'll mention, and that one goes until 2:45 p.m. It's easy to see why. This activity has been kind of over the area over the last several hours. Plenty of lightning embedded in some of those storms as well. Easy to see where that rain is in correlation to temperatures as well. Where it's 60 degrees in Rochester, there's the 59 in Mason City. Not too far to the east, and we've got 75 degrees already in La Crosse as well as Decorah. But behind this rain, we're also seeing those temperatures rise. 66 currently in Owatonna, and even Rochester going up just 1 degree from where we started this newscast. Now, Sky Tracker 3 doesn't show as much activity as what's happening. In fact, it's a little further to the south. So it's interesting to note that although it kind of picks up on a lot of this starting to end as we get later into this afternoon, I do expect perhaps it to be a little busier here further to the southeast. Luckily, though, a lot of us should be finishing off the daytime hours with mostly cloudy skies, less of the rainfall before it picks right back up as we head into tomorrow morning. The yellow there, it's not something we see very often, but that's that chance for storms that continues as we go into the afternoon. But check out these temperatures. They're still expected to rise before they start to drop, and those rain chances return once again for Friday and Saturday, and even into Mother's Day Sunday. We knew this though. We've been talking about it throughout the entirety of the week that these rain chances were on the way. You can see them here on the 7-day forecast where the weekend is always in view. Doesn't necessarily come with that cool down until we hit Mother's Day. So it will feel like a cooler day. We're gonna have to deal with that on and off rain, but pretty much immediately after that, Alex, we get the sunshine back, the 70s back, and a stretch of really nice spring days.
I cannot wait. Thanks, Sarah.